Alrighty guys, Jeep Cherokee. I got brakes to do, but I can't get these damn sockets off. Guys, this typically or normally a 19, but as you can see, I got 19. 19 is too small, and 21 is too big. Okay, so I need like a 19 and a half, and I freaking don't have one. I mean, it's that way on all of them. I don't know how these swelling. I'm thinking people are using the wrong size sockets on them. Yeah, what is this? This is I don't know what this is. It's a two-way. So I just ordered one on Amazon that'll go 18 and a half and 19 and a half. So when they swell, they no longer work with the regular size socket. So my Afghanistan buddy, I don't know where you from. Y'all know how we play a lot. My Bin Laden, no, I can't say that. My buddy on his way down here, he got some kind of 19. I got a Cherokee, and my wheel locks are 19. They all 19. This is the socket and nut built into one. Can't remember the name of it, but here he comes. Let's see what he got. Yo!
Videos, look. What? It's small. It's like a hand ratchet, but it's made in China. You push it, and it starts spinning.
To do what? Take
like a 3/8.
Oh.
It's like a ratchet, like this
really?
big.
Oh, it's small.
Yeah,
to
but
get
you
in the
push the
real
button.
tight.
I forgot what it was called. You push the button, and then it'll spin, and then you gotta flip it.
Get in the real tight area.
Yeah. Where's the hammer? Give me a hammer.
Where's my hammer?
I'm asking you. Sometimes I wish I was brand new. Nobody knew me.
What size is that?
Oh, what's up? It's gonna cut in. It's one of those.
See, if that's a 19, yeah, you defeating the purpose.
Yeah. See what I'm saying? Now when you go back in, you'll be all right.
That's why you need a 19 and a half.
Sometimes you wish you was brand new, so nobody know you. They won't borrow your shit. Yeah. See what I'm saying?
Alright,
So I
yeah,
gotta
those are gone, man.
I gotta do each and every one of them like that, bro.
Yeah, I gotta tell the customer all her little nuts are just shot.
Yeah.
Cause if she have a flat, she's screwed.
Oh, that's good anyway. They don't know how to change.
You don't know how to what?
Change it. Change it.
Well, if you have a flat, your
They don't
wing
know how
nut.
to change. They get ran over, bro. Look.
Yeah, they screwed. So I could have did that with my 19 then. You ain't doing nothing. I thought you had a 19 and a half.
I don't, but I'm just trying to make
getting
it
one.
easy for you, you know?
Yeah, I did that with my 19 then.
This one's going in. You're basically helping them. I got plenty of that going on. Wait on. Oh, that's a good hammer, bro.
That's a good hammer. Went out of nowhere is that?
All of them?
Yeah. What the suckers? Alright guys, yes, these are shot. These are no longer good. Okay, the reason it's dangerous because if they have a flat, they lug nut not going to take these off. And I refuse to let my customer go out of here not knowing about this. So 5, 10, 15, 20, they need 20 lug nuts. All of them like that, you see? He's banging on those down there. So you need 20 lug nuts. Now, I don't know what these cost. Anybody want to price these out for me? I have no idea what they cost, but it don't matter. She need to know. I'm gonna get ready to do a brake job, but I'm now responsible for this, so that's why I gotta let them know. If they want to fix it, fine. They don't, we're going back on with them. All right, I gotta go.